Well, hello, hello, hello. It's me. I have a mini mail call. That was me and my little voice. Guys, I have this package. It came in yesterday. I was going to hold it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I just need to open this up and reveal it. And just to prove to you guys that I am capable of shooting a short video. Just, I just want to put it out there. Just, But I got this. This is from Nicole. This is Picket Fences, which for those of you who are expo goers know, it's Nicole Peterson's stuff. And I got a sale alert and I went and checked it out. And I picked up some really cool little things. I mean, it was and I think I posted it to you guys. I can't remember now if I did or I didn't. And if I didn't, forgive me. But it was no, it wasn't the clearance for, ow, heck, it was a sale, and let me just go with that. That's my story, and I'm going to stick to it. But I just picked up a bunch of it, I believe, is going to be shaker bits, because she had some really cool, I wonder if I could just open this with the adhesive and completely salvage this bag, because why? I don't know. I just feel I'm up to the challenge. Oh, look. Oh, look, an intact bag. I could take undo and take that off, but let's not get crazy now, okay? Even I have limits. But we have, oh my goodness, yeah, this is a bunch of, there's going to be a whole bunch, and she has weird storage, to me, for her shaker bits, but still, oh my gosh, I think I got one of each of her sequins. So this is a sequin mix. This one is Irish coffee. So, you know what? Let me zoom in a little bit so that I don't have to bring it up. I'm bringing you guys to me. So this is Irish coffee. So I have still to make, and I have them there. They're sitting there right next to me on the floor going, oh, singing their siren song better than I do. Telling me, come on, Myra. I got the stuff cut out and everything already pre-cut to do coffee cards with it. This is the set I got from Tonic. And there I am. So anyway, so I got the sequins now so I can make, I'm running out of excuses to not make cards, shaker cards. But this is just beautiful. It is just a gorgeous shaker mix. Okay, so we have that. Let's see, what's the next one? I'm just going to let them come out and surprise me. Oh, this one is Berry Infusion. It's purple. Did I mention it's purple? It's very purple. And I don't do purple. But I realize that I do purple for other people. God. And so I needed to have shaker bits for those purpley moments. And they're real. I'm not going to kid you. These are really, really. I have a friend she's a 40-year Disney employee, and she's a total Maleficent nut. I mean, just totally. I mean, you go to her house and you have no clue. It's amazing. And I think I'm going to have to somehow come up with a Maleficent card or something, a shaker card, something that I can use the purple for. Got it. But I bought it. And I'm really glad I bought it. It is beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Okay, what do we have? I believe this is more because I think I got 2 of the Irish coffees because I wanted to. So we won't dwell on the Irish coffee more because you guys already seen. Okay, let's see what else is in here. I have got, look how pretty that is. See, they looked pretty on the site and they look pretty in person. I should have bought more. I swear to Pete, I should have bought more. This is the Pink Lady. Do you remember the Pink Ladies? Weren't they Grease? Was it Grease that was the Pink Ladies, the little girl, kind of, gang, or was it Happy Days? Somebody tell me. There's somebody out there that's as old as me that knows what the flip I'm talking about. So confess. I can't remember which one of the Pink Ladies, but look, that is some really, really pretty shakery stuff. So I should have bought more because they were $1.99. It's like, oh my gosh, that's why I bought as many as I did. And here's more purple. My gosh, I bought a lot of purple. This one is Martini. Shaken, not stirred. Who knows that reference? Let's see. I'm testing you guys. And it's really, so this is, I've brought it down just because I want to look at it because I don't know if it looks iridescent, but it's not purple. It's not blue. It's somewhere in between, and maybe, there is purple in there, so they've done both. A mix. I really like it. This is really, really pretty. So, ooh. Okay, what's up? Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, more. I'm just pulling them out and surprising myself. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Oh, I should have bought more. I really should have. This one is Shark Bite. shark bite. So now we're having a Nemo moment. Remember, isn't that what they called Nemo or the shark? I can't remember, but yeah, it was shark bite. Wasn't it the sharks? That's what that was their group's name for Nemo. I can't remember. Call me crazy. Never mind. Don't even waste your time. We all know it's true. But isn't that beautiful? That is a beautiful mix. Now I'm going to have to sit here and stare at them and never want to use them. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is a gorgeous sequins mix. I have been missing out. I'm going to have to, hound some more of their sequins. What do we got here? Oh my goodness. Oh, I love them. This one is Frozen Nutcracker. I think this is the first one I saw and I wanted to get it. Look how beautiful that is. And I've got a Nutcracker card that I need to make. It's one of the ones I'm planning on doing for my December monthly, or not my December. It will be my Christmas monthly. I want to at least do one Christmas card every month. And I've been dying to make the Nutcracker from Diamond Press. I never had the time, so I'm going to make the time. But isn't that beautiful if I did him in blues? Oh, look how pretty that is. A gorgeous, gorgeous mix. It's very Frozen. And for those of you who are sick of Frozen, we will make no more mention of that movie. But, oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, what else? Let's see what else is in here. Let's see. It's like it's like I'm pulling a rabbit out of the hat. Oh, wow. This is spiked cider. It looked really cool on the website, and it is really cool in person. It's got the golds and some cream and some reds. It is so super fall. This is a super fall mix, and I've got those sequin packages. Remember, I bought there were the leaves that I got both from Prima, and also I believe I got some from Hobby Lobby, because the first thing I do whenever the seasons changes, I hit the seasonal aisle of Hobby Lobby looking for confetti, for what they call it, confetti. They use it for table scatter, but I use it as shaker bits. Look, but that is beautiful. That is really, wow. That's very, very impressive. Okay, what else I got in here? More purple. Why is the purple who's not a purple person? I think because I bought one of each. So this one is Purple People Eater. There we go. But it's very cool. You know what? For what I paid for them. That's not, I'm not going to quibble. A couple of bucks for sequins, we all know. And until I get a hat, if I could just dial in a source from China and that I could just get in mass quantities, then I would mix my own. But until that happens, I'll have to maybe do some serious searches on Alibaba. We'll see. But anyway, isn't it beautiful? I think it's beautiful. But meanwhile, we are going to patronize our providers because we need to keep them afloat, because they keep us afloat with their inspiration and their stuffage. So that's how I think. That's my point. Okay, do we have any more before I go into, because I know I have other stuff in here. I think I ran out of sequins. So I ran out of sequins. This, I'm sure, is my packing slip and 2 sequins. They are errant. So let's see. Let's go with what I bought. So let's see. What did I get? This one is, I bought a bunch. This is Crafty Witches. Crafty Wishes, and it is a glimmer plate, along with the die cut for it. So I picked up a few of these. Seriously, guys, I really am going to pull it out from under the box. But I bought most of these super ridiculous cheap. I wonder if she puts her prices on her. Not everybody puts their prices on their packing list. They just tell you, here it is. Yep, this is here it is. This is what you ordered. Thank you very much. And there you go. Oh, there was one that was missing. I'm looking now. Refunded. Moscow Mule. I love the names for some of these. Okay. We'll deal with it. I'm not going to be unhappy. But love it. Love that. So I love that. Let's see what else we got. So I got a lot of wordy ones, I believe. Let's see what's next. Coffee. I wonder what I got that for. It's like, but it was coffee, and a pretty coffee. So this is what, not to scale, but that's what it looks like. But I'm like, ooh, so that's going to automatically go into this. I mean, I'm not kidding you when I say I have it right next to me. I am not joking. It's right there, waiting for numbnuts here to get around to working it up. But I'm in the midst of the 14 by 14 in 14, which was already an abysmal failure today because I didn't realize two were supposed to go live, and the other one is going live literally this very second. I don't know what I was thinking, but I scheduled it for tomorrow, and I meant for it as soon as it